Hello guys, so this is how to add an image to your PhotoPea project. So first thing you need to do is just open up photopea.com and start out a project. So I have a project started out here, a classic What is Love, Baby Don't Hurt Me, and I want to add an image to it. So there's two methods to do this, the drag and drop method and just browsing for the image. So I'm just going to show you both. So the first method is drag and drop. What you need to do is just open up your Finder or where the image is stored and just drag the image and drop it over here in PhotoPea. And then make sure that you adjust the layering just to see the image. And now I have my image. I can just move it around. I can play with it. And yeah, this is how easy it is. Now let me delete this and show you how to look for the image or browse for the image from PhotoPea itself. So all what you need to do is just click on File at the top left corner, then click on Open. And then you're gonna need to just look for the image. Let me just add a random image just for demonstration here. And then click on Open. And you can just drag this image and put it inside the template. And now you have your image in the project. You can just adjust the size and adjust the layering and all of that to your liking. And yeah, this is all what you need to do. Hope that video is helpful.